Okay, so we're talking about using the web app to create a bar chart. And the problem is that the recommended chart doesn't come up. Go ahead and delete that. And let's just go back through the steps of how we got to this point, Roberta. If you just click on that, press delete. Yeah. So we highlighted the data 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then the 1, 2, 1, 5, 8. So that's good. And then we went to insert. And then we went to column chart. We'd love to see recommended chart here, but it's not there. So we got to just kind of battle through this. So we clicked column chart. We
So,
picked the first one and we got a chart. Now, there's several problems with this. First of all, there's 2 bars and there should only really be 1 set of bars. And the second problem is the
right.
larger, harder problem is that the x-axis is labeling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when it should really be saying 4, 5,
Mhm.
6, 7, 8, 9. So the
Right.
first one we can solve pretty easily because the blue bars are not supposed to be bars at all. Those blue bars are supposed to be our x-axis. So if you click on any of the blue bars, you should just be able to press delete and it should get rid of that series.
Oh,
So we're halfway
okay.
there. We've got just the orange bars that we care about, but the x-axis is not labeled correctly. So now we're going to right click on any of those orange bars and it should bring up a series of options for us. And we're going to go, it's not exactly what we want. Let's see. There's a button up at the top that says select data. It's the second button from the left.
Mm-hmm.
So let's click select data. Let's see what options it gives us.
Should I do it again?
Nothing happened.
No.
Uh,
Unless the blue bars highlighted. I mean, the orange
it's
blue,
coming
the
up on the
blue
right. It's
around.
just slow coming up. I see it on the right.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let me
So
do
we've
this
got
other way.
source and we need to figure out the horizontal axis labels. Right now, I think the problem is that it says add field. So click on the add field. I think you want to click on, yeah, do add new field.
Oh, vertical. Where's that? So,
You're in the right place. You're just clicking on the angle iron instead of the actual thing that says add field. So just move your mouse a little bit to the
oh,
left and click on that. Yeah. And then go down to where it says add new field. And let's see if this works. So the values, it's guessing C4 to C9. Let's type B4 to B9, B4 colon B9. Yeah, exactly. You can just change the B's into
oh,
C's or
it's
however you want
just
to do it. B4
before
colon
B
B9.
nine.
Yeah. And then you can press the little check, green check there,
I'm sorry.
the
Hit the
green
green
check
check.
next to it. To the right, there's a little green check.
So I did check it. Another green check. This one.
So you tried to click on that check button
So I did the check button when I did it. Should I do it again?
and nothing happened.
No, it didn't seem to.
B4 to
B4,
B9.
B9,
Yeah, that's the one we want.
and
Try pressing enter. Oh, it's done it. I can see it's right. because now the x-axis says 4,
Oh,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
okay.
Yeah, maybe we can do it more easily by fix getting the source. But anyways, it's done, and that's what it needs to say. So I don't let's not mess with it. Now let's see, can we add the axis labels? Because we got the chart title, we can rename that, but we need to put the axis labels on. And I wonder if you scroll down on this chart, the data,
Oh, over here.
well, I think you have to
Oh, over
select the
here.
chart and then go to the right.
Wait a minute. Let me move this.
Well, that one you can just
Let me
delete.
move. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh,
very close to
what?
what we had, but then the x-axis isn't right on that one. Well, it looks like you figured out how to get the axis labels on before because you have number of students and no hours of sleep, although that's backwards.
Yeah.
So let's delete that chart.
Okay.
Let's go back to this chart. And then we should be able to see it. We should have some options for scroll down on the chart pane.
Over here.
No, I think that's the full Excel window. There's a scroll bar to the left of the word data. Yeah, try pulling that down and let's see what else there is. Oh no, you're right. I guess that's the Excel one. Okay, click on format then and see what that brings up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so horizontal
I see.
axis, and then we should be able to put in the label display axis. That's good. And then
Where would I write it?
label position. Oh,
Where?
axis
Oh,
title.
where
Switch
you
on
see?
axis title.
Oh, there.
And then you can put a name in for it. Now, what are we counting there with the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9?
Um, that total left lane, but I forgot the name of it. The sleep hours.
Yep.
And then just enter, right? Nope. What do I do? I said enter and it's not doing anything.
We already changed it, so that's good. Now we just need to scroll down more and do the vertical axis.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
So if you click on the angle iron by the vertical axis,
Where it says data
no,
table.
no,
Oh, hit vertical axis first.
yep. And then you got to scroll down, find axis title, switch it on. And they really have it a long way toward the bottom. Yep, there it is. And then you can put a title on that one.
Students frequency. Okay, it generated. And then I just need to do the title and okay. Yeah, there's no way I'd have come up with that.
Yeah, no, that was good to let me record that because that's really different from the from what I show in class.